Hi, Doyle Bloss with HydroMaster. Today we're going to talk about deodorizers. And there's different types of deodorizers in our industry to combat the most common odor control issues that you have as a professional cleaner. Even if you don't do water damage restoration, you're still going to encounter most of the odors that we talk about today. Not only that, we want to talk about the differences between deodorizers and disinfectants. Keep in mind that disinfectants have to be registered in the United States with the United States Environmental Protection Agency. They have an EPA registration number, and once a cleaning solution has been assigned an EPA registration as a disinfectant, then in many states you're required to become a licensed pest control agent to apply disinfectants. So HydroMaster doesn't make any disinfecting solutions or EPA registered disinfectants. There's lots of good ones out there, but make sure you understand when you're using a disinfectant, that's a different thing than deodorizing, because disinfectants are proven to sanitize and disinfect to kill living bacteria. So let's talk about some of the more common types of deodorizers in the industry. We have different types of powders and liquids, primarily to go after the number one odor control problem that professional carpet cleaners face. That's urine. Pet urine in carpet and upholstery is the most commonly encountered issue that you will find. Why? Because we know that 70% of U.S. households own a dog or cat or both. And the numbers are similar for Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. So we have lots of different deodorizing solutions for pets, and which one is right for you depends on a lot of things. We'll have a whole different video that we'll talk about that on. But we have USR with multi-phase, which is a powder oxidizing urine control treatment that's excellent for getting rid of the stains and the odor. We have our most popular deodorizer, multi-phase. Multi-phase is incredibly effective on getting rid of the odors caused by pet urine and other types of odors. And then we have probably the number one selling urine pre-treatment in the industry, UPS. UPS is designed to make any deodorizer that you're using, including enzymes, work more effectively when you're going after pet odors. Now, let's talk about a couple of the other deodorizing solutions that HydroMaster has. OdorMate is our general purpose deodorizer, but when we say general purpose, we don't mean it's not really good at knocking down tough odors. As a matter of fact, OdorMate is what we recommend for tobacco smoke and cannabis smoke and other cannabis-related odors. OdorMate is a bonding and encapsulating deodorizer with a very pleasant tropical breeze scent that your customer will love. And the last deodorizer that we want to mention today is Botanophase. Botanophase is a plant-based deodorizer to go after water damage related odors, water intrusion, mold, and mustiness. Botanophase contains only plant-derived deodorizing treatments from thyme oil and others that will go after effectively water damage related odors. If you have any questions on deodorizing, we have a complete deodorizing guide available to you free online at our website, www.hydromaster.com, or you can go there and download our smart app so that you can, for your phone or your tablet, so you can have your questions answered right on the job site anytime you run into a difficult odor. And in the future, we'll dive deeper into these specific odors and talk to you a little bit about procedures. Today, thanks for listening.